Hi, hello, Ina from ActiveChat here. Today, let's talk triggering live chat session. There are two ways for that, and for the most part, we've already done all the heavy lifting for you. Each new bot comes with an automated live chat triggering skill by default. All you need is to customize it. There are just a few key points here: the escalation message, the success message, the timeout, and the error exit of the block. The escalation message is a notification that informs the user that their request for live chat has been received. It could include a message saying something like, "Please hold, connecting you to an agent," and the number of people in line in front of that person if you expect heavy traffic. The success message is a notification that informs the user that the chat has been accepted by one of your team members and could include that team member's name, some basic guidelines, or contact information. The timeout is essentially a first response time requirement, in seconds. If the agent doesn't reply to the user within the time, or the chat doesn't even get picked up, the user will get informed. We'd suggest to keep it no more than 900 seconds, which equates to 15 minutes, to not lose your user's interest and involvement, but it's up to you, of course. And the error exit of the live chat block is essentially the trigger for an after-hours sequence. If the timeout is reached or no agents are available, the flow following the error exit will be run. By default, it contains a sequence that picks up the user's request, contact information, and sends it over to the bot's owner via email. However, of course, each business has its own ways, so this specific sequence could be customized in any way you see fit. To pin a CRM and open a ticket, to send customer details to the team via SMS, to suggest sending an email or giving a call, again, you decide. In this case, the live chat session could be triggered by a corresponding intent, or a few of them if you find it necessary, by a specific action the user does, for example, visiting the pricing page or checking out the About Us section of your website, or it could be the user's subscription tier, previous history, certain point reached within the bot, etc. Another parameter here is the agent filter. Assigned to any available agent, assigned by name or by tag. Assigned to any available agent, I believe, is quite self-explanatory, and assigning chats by agent or tag gives you control over who the chat will be routed to. In case of tags, whichever tags users have will have to match those of the agents, so the question of the user gets addressed right away. For that, you can use the user tags attribute. And assigning by agent is a helpful feature when your users have dedicated managers that already know every detail of their case, so that the user doesn't have to explain everything from the very beginning each time. And another way to trigger a live chat is a manual one. And all you need to do is to find the person you want to talk to, open their profile and click Start Chat. Simple as that. That's it on triggering live chat session. Check out manual.activechat.ai for more tutorials and documentation on the features that could help you level up your virtual assistant and make your customers happy. But for now, stay safe, build bots, and have a beautiful day. Talk to you again soon.